Hello everyone, this is Shashi from Shashi Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about the bubble sort algorithm. The name itself says the bubble. The bubbles are usually present inside a water, which are present in different size. You may be observing that the biggest bubble will always pop out first when compared to the smallest bubble. In a similar way, if you consider a data of an array which containing 89, 45, 68, 90, 29 and finally 17. The bubble sort logic says that we need to compare the two adjacent, particularly first two adjacent numbers such that the number present at the left side must be always greater than the number present at the right side. If this condition is true, let us swap these numbers. Okay. If I consider in the logical way, consider a array of elements A. Here 89, the index of 89 I can say it as jth index. If I consider 45, it can be j plus 1 index. So logically I can say the number of left element, the number which is present at the left side, that is a of j greater than a of j plus 1, that is number present at the right side, a of j plus 1. We shall replace this with a of j and a of j plus 1. Then we need to swap those numbers. We shall apply the condition to this array. Here 89 is greater than 45. We need to swap it now. And we shall copy the remaining element as it is. Okay. Let us apply the condition to next two adjacent numbers. Here 89 is greater than 68. Again we need to swap it. 68, 89. And we shall write the remaining numbers as it is. Okay. Again apply this condition to next two adjacent numbers, 89 and 90. You may be observing that here 89 is smaller than 90. This condition fails. So you need not to swap it. We shall write it as it is. For remaining element also, we shall write it as it is. Okay. Then again apply the logic to next two adjacent numbers, that is 90 and the 29. Here you can see that the number 90 is greater than 29. We need to swap it now. And we shall write it as it is for the remaining element. Okay. Finally, we shall compare last two adjacent elements, that is 90 and the 17. Here 90 is greater than 17. Again we need to swap it. And we shall write it as it is for the remaining elements. Okay. You may be observing that the biggest number is sorted. You may be asking me, there are other elements which are not sorted. How can you say that the number is sorted? I am saying only one number is sorted here. So, in order to sort the remaining elements, we should move all these elements one side and we shall copy the required ones. We shall copy the required ones, that is 45, 68, 89, 29, 17. We shall rewrite it again, that is 45, 68, 89, 29 and finally 17. Okay. Then again apply the same logic to two adjacent numbers, that is 45 and 68. Here you can see 45 is smaller than 68. We need not to swap it. We can write it as it is 45 and 68 and 89 also, 29, 17 also. Okay. Then again apply the condition to next two adjacent numbers, that is 69 and 89. Sorry, 68 and 89. Here 68 is smaller than 89. Then here also we need not to swap the numbers. We shall write it as it is. Then again apply this condition to next two adjacent numbers, that is 89 and the 89 and the 29. Here the 89 is greater than 29. We need to swap these numbers, 29 and 89. Finally 17. And we shall write remaining ones as it is. Okay. Then again compare last two adjacent numbers, that is 89 and 17. Here 89 is greater than 17, so we shall swap it again. And we shall write remaining elements as it is. Okay, you can see that the biggest number among these array element is popped out, means it is sorted. Okay, we shall, for the time being, we shall copy this entire thing to one side. Okay, then we shall write the required one, that is 45, 68, 29 and 17. 45, 68, 29, finally 17. Then again apply the logic on this array element, that is 45 and 68, two adjacent numbers. Here the 45 is greater than 68. No, here the 45 is smaller than 68. Then the condition fails. So we shall write it as it is 45, 68 and we shall copy the remaining elements as it is 17, 29 and 17. Then again apply the logic to next two adjacent elements 68 and 29. Here the 68 is greater than 29. We need to swap it again, 29 and the 68. We shall copy remaining elements as it is. Then again apply the logic to next two adjacent elements, that is 68 and 17. Here the 68 is greater than 17. We shall swap it again. And we shall copy remaining ones as it is. Okay. Here you can see that the highest number is sorted, means the highest number is popped out. So for the time being we shall move this to one side. Okay. Then we shall copy required one, that is 45, 29, 17. That's it. Okay. We shall apply the logic again. 45 and 29. Here 45 is greater than 29. We need to swap it. And we shall write remaining one as it is. Okay. We shall apply the condition to next two adjacent elements. Here the 45 is greater than 17. Again we need to swap it. 29, 17 and the 45. Okay. Here you can see again the biggest number is sorted. So we need to copy the entire thing one side and we can apply the logic again. And we shall rewrite the required one, that is 29 and 17. Okay, again apply the logic to these numbers Here 29 is greater than 17. Again swap it. Sorry. Again swap it. Okay. We shall rewrite the remaining one, that is 45, 68, 89 and finally 90. This 90 comes from here, this 89 comes from here, then finally 68 comes from here and 45 comes from here, 29 is here and 17 is here. You can observe that the entire array is sorted. The entire array is sorted because it follows this logic, that is the leftmost number is greater than the rightmost number. Okay, we have swapped the number using the normal method. You may be thinking that how to convert this logic into a program. That we shall discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.